For the repair of the ABB Pneumatic positioner, the following procedures were necessary: replacement of various electronic components and general cleanup of the unit. For testing, we add some pressurized air as power supply and a 4 to 20 mA input signal. By manipulating the input signal, we see that the positioner reacts accordingly by moving the actuator according to the input signal. We can also see the movement of the actuator on the LCD screen of the positioner by percentage. It is now clear that the pneumatic positioner was working. It is now clear that the pneumatic positioner is working successfully and is ready to be delivered to the customer.